scholar, then as the user of the average grade, which is naka-float, then income ng i-input din ng user yung family income. Sa condition po is yung full scholarship requires both mataas ang grade at mababang income. Then, kapag yung parehong condition po is nag-true, magpiprint po siyang full scholarship. Then, kapag hindi naman po, kapag hindi ganun kataas yung grades and then yung income is mataas po, is partial scholarship lang. Then, kapag wala po is not. So, yun.